Okay, it's product review time. Today it's Halcyon from Total Boat, a marine rugged varnish. Throw all your polyurethane away. This is the product of choice. I've stopped using poly. I strictly use Halcyon in my shop. I've used it for over a year now and absolutely love the product. It can be sprayed, it can be brushed on, it can be rolled on. Unlike polyurethane, when you open it up, after it's been used previously, you won't find that it's skinned over. No sanding between coats. Will dry in an hour or less. This base and pedestal for one of my heirloom cake stands, four coats in under 4 hours, fully dried. Was able to handle it, take it inside, set it on one of my wife's nice placemats, and not worry about getting something on that and getting shot by my wife. This stuff is UV resistant. It's a hard yet flexible product. It's used a lot on boats above the waterline. Can be used interior or exterior. Like I said before, UV resistant. So it's great for your outdoor projects. It's just not enough good that I can say about this product. It goes on easy. It is forgiving. It's easy to apply. Dries fast. Again, no sanding between coats. Get you some today and try it out, and you're going to find that this will replace your polyurethane. It's just an all-around great product. I use it on indoor projects, outdoor projects. I've used it on cake stands. I've used it on charcuterie boards on the bottom side, where I've poured epoxy over the top. I've had other charcuterie boards that I completely coated in it. It's just a great product. I've done some outdoor wooden benches, coated it with this, and I don't have to be concerned about a customer coming back to me because the product didn't hold up to the weather. This will hold up. Dries in less than an hour, no sanding between coats, and I can't stress that enough because I hate sanding. I don't know about you, but I hate sanding. So that eliminates a lot of the problems with polyurethane. And like I said earlier, you reopen a can of polyurethane and it's skinned over. Now look at this black walnut. It just made the grain pop. It's got a nice gloss shine to it. It just really made this piece pop. So get off your rear, get on your computer, go to totalboat.com and tell them you want to try the Halcyon. Available clear or amber, gloss or satin.